Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another week on the Sirens vlog. This week I'm going to be taking all this stuff out of my 1982 Volkswagen Vanagon diesel and I'm going to be turning this into an office space. I need an office for a number of reasons. We'll get into that later. I do have these tables here that I can use as a desk that will fold in and out from over there. And also I can put one right here and fold it out this way, or I can fold one out that way. I think I'm gonna use the one that goes over there and fold it out that way. But first, let's just get everything out of here. Okay, so we just got a phone call and we have an opportunity to buy it's an offshore boat, and we would be able to run offshore fishing charters and we could run dive charters. So we need to go look at this boat right now. We might be able to make this happen. Like, whoa. Okay, so we gotta go look at it like right now. So let's go.
What do you think?
I don't know. It depends on the mechanics of the boat. And you're the mechanic. The boat looks good. I think it's rough around the edges. I think it needs some bright work. I can handle that. And I can't see the interior. I can't see anything else about it, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm interested.
Very interested.
I'm not entirely sure how to go about this yet. I don't know. This needs to be zipped up. I don't know why this was ever unzipped like this. I don't do this. Who did this? Okay. Yeah, this isn't supposed to be like this. I'm gonna try to lower this back down and get these rips tucked in somehow. Okay, about to start top to bottom, right? So there's not that much going on up here other than that stuff I need to move. And I think I need to start with this mildew or mold or whatever it is. And Starbright has a good mildew spray. And I'm thinking I might have to use that. I'm just not sure how I'm gonna apply it. Maybe just with a rag. Okay, so I found the mildew stain remover, and I don't really know how much to put on here. Oh, just spray or wipe product directly onto surface to be treated and allowed to work until stain disappears. Then rinse thoroughly. Do you have to rinse? I'm not sure if this is gonna be like effective at all. Okay. The headliner is like disintegrating. Maybe we just live with the mildew. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's, maybe I just do a bit in this area. And then we just call it done. And we're done. Okay, I could definitely be cleaning up these areas, and I think I actually cleaned these both out. Oh no. That's right, there was a rat's nest or something going on in here, where the squirrels were living in here. Oh boy.
Alright, clean out a rat's nest, huh? There's a rat's nest. Didn't you ask me to clean this rat's nest out before?
Yeah, but you don't really do things that you're asked, so it never got done.
Look, when a man tells you he will do something, he will do it.
After you ask him 12 times.
You don't have to remind him every 7 or 8 months.
Here, take your rat's nest. Alright, so there's one problem solved. Now I guess I need something to clean this with. I really need a shop vac, and I don't think that's gonna happen right now because ours blew up. Or whatever they do. Alright, before this bus was mine, it was my grandpa's. And he had this handy square brush tool. It's because it was the perfect tool to get all of the dirt out of this carpet. This is not the brush. This is Hal's brush. The other one had like heavier bristles, and it was perfect because the bristles were really, really stiff. But I'm going to try this, and I can already tell you it's not as effective, but it's helping, so I'm going to go for it. Alright, so I don't know if I want to like decorate in here. I don't really know. I don't know. It doesn't need to be like a boho lounge or anything, so I don't know how I'm going to decorate. But I do have a little bit of a surprise. So I've signed up for Sea School. I need to get my captain's license immediately. I've put it off long enough, and Hal wants me to at least be able to run charters this summer if we overbook. So I've got to take it, and right now they're super booked up here and in the next town over, so my only option is to take the online course. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't do well with online courses. I do better sitting in a classroom, and it's all through Sea School. So most of my training, pretty much all of my training, is through MPT in Fort Lauderdale, and this will be my first experience with Sea School. Sea School is supposed to be pretty easy. And it's my only option. It's the only option here, and now we're doing it online because everybody's booked. So if you have experience with Sea School online, please like put a message in the comments and let me know how your experience went. I'm really curious. That's why I'm doing this. I need a place that I can go and get away from the noise, and that's gonna be in here because I own this amazing bus. Why not use it? So I'm gonna go get all of my things and see what needs to be in here. you guys. I think I'm ready to do this. I'm ready. I'm feeling in the zone. And I didn't even have to like decorate or do anything. Westphalia did that for me, I think, because, you know, it doesn't match, like, it doesn't match with my, like, Tommy Bahama and my, like, you know, fur thing. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. And this is really everything that I need. And I'm sure that I will be bringing a lot more crap out here, because let's be real, that's what females do. So, I think I'm due for a shower now. All right. Ooh, watch this. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Well, I could put it there. It's just this box is in the way, that's all. Yeah. It's still in the way. Never mind. See, Westphalia they're so good. They knew I was going to need to do that. Bye, you guys.